Hello everyone. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit a Pollination Rhino room using Grasshopper. For example, I want to change the window ratio of a selected room. So I open Grasshopper. I use Pollination Room component. Right click on it and select the room that you want to edit. In my case is this room here. Press enter, and now if you check the output, it is an honeybee room. At this point I can use honeybee apertures by ratio, and with this component I can override the amount of windows that I have on my facade. For example, let's apply 35%. And because I want to export this model and use this model for the energy purpose, I can also remove the subdivide. Let's check now how the room looks like. So I go back to honeybee and I search for the visualize component in this way. So subdivide, false, here we go. This one is the new window, and also here and here. Okay, I'm ready to bake the room. So again, I use another Pollination Room component. I connect the output, right click and bake the room. The room now exists in Rhino. It's this one. This one is the new open office. So I can say, I can rename it open office 035. And I can use the new one instead of the native one. Keep in mind that they share the same energy and radiance properties. The only thing that it's different is the ratio of the glazing part. So I remove this one and I can continue my analysis with this new room. Thank you for watching.